When it comes to high-performance cars, the Subaru WRX is in a league of its own. Built for speed and precision, this car is designed to thrill. Step inside and you'll immediately notice the sporty interior with racing-inspired features and a driver-focused design. The WRX is all about performance, and everything from the seats to the steering wheel is designed with that in mind. The WRX's performance on the road really sets it apart. Standard symmetrical all-wheel drive, the WRX has the traction and stability to handle any situation. And with a turbocharged Subaru Boxer engine that delivers up to 310 horsepower, it's a car that's built to go fast. Whether you're racing on the track or tearing up the open road, the WRX's sport-tuned suspension and quick ratio steering make it a car that's fun to drive. And with advanced technology like the available Subaru EyeSight driver assist technology, you can drive with confidence, knowing you have an extra set of eyes on the road. But the WRX isn't just about speed and performance, it's also about style. With its bold design and iconic hood scoop, the WRX is a car that turns heads wherever it goes. So if you're looking for a stylish, reliable car that's built for performance, look no further than the Subaru WRX. Visit Mike Shaw Subaru today and take a test drive.